think the Writers' Workshop really has helped crystallize the story about my family, and it's really gotten me to think deeply about the issues and what a second-generation Holocaust survivor means.
But the workshop has given me a focus, an important focus of conveying more than just the funny thing that happened to my dachshund. You know, it gave me an outlet for feelings that I didn't even know were there.
People's experiences are really different, and what's wonderful about the writing workshop is to be able to explore your own experiences, but also hear about other people's.
I think it's just another one of the things that I can do to help make this world a safer place, maybe. By doing this, it's a permanent thing that will be available so that my speaking can go to many, many more people than it would otherwise.
I'm not a writer. and to be part of this has been a very good experience for me. Not that I'm going to turn out anything that's miraculously well written, but it's a way to explore parts of myself that I've never really delved into. And I'm very grateful to have had that experience and hope that it continues.